Prevention is a cornerstone to any program dealing with the chronic diseases. And we know that with respect to prevention of chronic diseases worldwide, we really need to pay attention to 3 risk factors. Those risk factors are improving diet, increasing physical activity, and eliminating tobacco and smoking. If we pay attention to those 3 risk factors, we will prevent or eliminate 50% of chronic diseases worldwide. That's a dramatic effect. We hope that each center of excellence will be deeply engaged in their local community, that they will understand the risk factors for heart disease and lung disease within their community, that they will develop measures for assessing those risk factors in the community, that they will develop intervention programs by which they cannot just identify the risk factors, but intervene to modify the risk factors. We want to develop the next generation of global health leaders in the chronic diseases. Each of the centers of excellence has a training program. Those training programs are linked with training programs in a developed country, often to a school of public health here in the United States. This is really the nature of the global community today, that there is a dramatic sharing of information and progress on a global scale.